Hello, this is Vasmula and welcome to my channel, that is Vasmula Graphics and Architectural Designer. Today I'm going to model you the ice cream cone, how to model it or how to design it without wasting any time. Let's jump into the back, but before telling that, do subscribe my channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon to get latest videos updates notification. Make a cone. On the shading edges faces from here, select increase its segments, make it edit poly modifier, select the polygon and extrude it. Now come to the top view, front viewport, minimize the perspective viewport, select the polygon from here, the second polygon from second polygon, drag it in the front viewport and make it as material ID 1 and select the perspective viewport, Ctrl Z press. It will go back to the previous, and now press shift I inverse, control I, not shift I, control I, make it as material ID 2. Now apply the materials, go to the material editor, compact material, select from here VRMTL multi/slash sub material, and I want to apply different materials. Go to the VRMTL, select from here diffuse, select white color and click on the right button, bitmap, and apply assign material to selection and show shaded material in viewport. Now default as, make it as default. Go to the materials, check it out which one is better. This is much better. Now go to the material slot, second apply material to the top side, ice cream, VRMTL from here, select white color from here and click on this right button, bitmap, go to bitmap, select the image, this image, ice cream image, assign material to selection, click on this button and show shade material in viewports. Now you apply UVW map, make it as box, now you can see this is simple ice cream. Now with this ice cream model it, I have completed my tutorial. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel, that is Vasmula Graphics and Architectural Designer, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get latest videos notification. Have a good day. Bye.